Buenos Dias, I'm Dia, and today is day 25 of my 28-day fitness challenge. Today is a leg day, and sadly we don't have Jeremy here, so we are going to be working more of the booty. We're gonna be targeting more of that booty, and I'm pretty excited about it. And let's get into the video. Alright you guys, we are doing supersets today. Our first superset is a kneel to step squat alternating each leg. We're doing 5 reps each, then moving on to banded kickbacks for 10 reps. We're doing 4 sets total. Our second superset, we're doing 4 sets of 10 hip thrusts and 20 banded side steps. Our last superset, we're doing 4 sets of 10 cable Romanian deadlifts along with cable crab walks. For the crab walk, you want to do 4 steps forward and 4 steps back. We're doing that 2 times for a total of 16 steps. Enjoy your workout. Welcome back you guys. I hope you enjoyed that workout. For the last exercise, make sure you are planting your feet because you can lose balance pretty easily. And I will see you tomorrow for day 26. That's right, we are almost done. I am super excited. Can't wait to see my results. And adios. Alright, and if you haven't already, I don't know where you've been at, under a rock, I don't know. But go ahead and subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can keep up to date with my 28-day fitness challenge. And we have a few exciting things coming up, so you want to keep up to date with that as well.